Defender 90 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. This is the hardtop commercial. It's VAT qualifying. It's only done 5,000 miles on a 25 registration. It has massive amounts of optional extras which make this car a fantastic vehicle. It's got features such as air suspension, jump seat, deployable Towbar, black pack, on top of the fact it's an X-Dynamic HSE. So top of the tree when it comes to a commercial Defender. It's also the highest powered diesel, which is the D350, and then it's only done 5,000 miles on a 25 registration. Extended black pack gives you the black badging, the bumper inserts, they all go gloss black. The colour of the car itself is Santorini black. You've then got these wide arches that have been installed, which a lot of customers look for when they are looking for Defender 90 hardtops. 20-inch wheels finished in satin grey. They're partnered with the air suspension. So not only do you get a better looking car from the outside, you get a better driving car as well. And then when you combine air suspension, D350 engine and a deployable Towbar, you have a fantastic towing vehicle. 25 registration gives you a 25 model year, which means you had a larger media screen than what you would have had in the year before. But then with it being the HSE, you have features like heated seats, cooled seats, adaptive cruise, heated wheel. Air suspension is a huge option. You'll see that just next to the gear stick, but we'll come back to that in just a second. And then you've got some style features. Not only has it got wide arches, it's got deployable side ladders, rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover, and then very importantly, to repeat, deployable Towbar. So if you are looking for a new business purchase, new commercial vehicle, I have no doubt that the Defender 90 is certainly on your wish list, but if you want one that is actually able to go and do some work, well, this is the car. D350, air suspension, Towbar. Then you've got the jump seat at the front, which gives you the extra passenger as well. 90 gives you, for me, the nice combination of not having to drive a massive car, but you've still got that great load space as well. You've then got the side storage box on this side. Memory setting function for the driver's seat, Meridian Sound system. And there's two reasons that, well, there's more than two, but the main two reasons that we sell so many Defender commercials is the first one is the financial benefits that they come with when buying a car like this in a VAT registered business name. And then the second one is you get to drive a Defender. So not only is it financially sensible, you get to have a Defender on the drive, and when you get something like this, it's exactly the same as the car version, barring the obviously rear seats. ClearSight rear view camera as well. So HD camera which comes through and it just takes out any interference that you would get from the bulkhead or the jump seat. 360 camera, even a towing specific mode because the deployable Towbar is from factory. I mentioned it earlier, but heated seats, cooled seats, heated wheels, so whatever the season, it's got you covered as far as that's concerned. But this is a fantastic 90 this. I mentioned it, but I'll show you how you do it. Slide that down, because there's a lot of people who question, do I need a jump seat? But why would you not have one? You can carry the extra passenger. If you don't have the passenger in, you slide it down, you've got cup holders, USBs, more storage. And then to put it back up takes seconds. It's done literally just over 5,000 miles. Still have Land Rover warranty until 2028, same as roadside assistance, but a fantastic all-round car this. So if you're looking for D350, top of the range, plus optional extras, the big three of jump seat, deployable Towbar and air suspension, then this is your 90. If you want to have a chat about how you would buy it, just contact me on my mobile number. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.